Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a coffee shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a barista and her last customers of the night. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many minutes before closing does the coffee shop stop taking orders? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good evening. Sorry, we are closing very soon.
Oh no, please, I really need a coffee. What time is it now?
It's 8:45. We close at 9, but we usually stop taking orders 10 minutes before closing.
I made it just in time. Thank you so much. I had a really long day at work.
I understand. What would you like?
Can I have a medium coffee, please? Black, no sugar.
Sure. That's $2.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you want it here or to go?
To go, please. I'm meeting a friend outside.
No problem. It will take about 2 minutes.
That's fine. I can wait.
You look very tired.
Yes, I had 5 meetings today. 5.
Wow, that's a lot.
I know. I didn't have time for lunch or coffee.
That's not good. You need energy.
You're right. This coffee is going to save my night.
I hope so.
Do you always work until closing time?
Yes, every night. I like the quiet time at the end of the day.
I can understand that. It's calm in here now.
It is. Most people leave before 9.
I almost didn't make it.
You did. Here is your coffee. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you so much.
What is your name, by the way?
I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. I'm Ruby.
This is a really nice coffee shop.
Thank you. We just changed the chairs last month.
They look very comfortable.
They are. Customers love them.
I might come back tomorrow morning before work.
We open at 7 in the morning.
Perfect. I usually wake up at 6.
Then you'll have a lot of time.
I hope so. Mornings are always hard for me.
Coffee helps with that.
It really does. I can't start my day without it.
Me too, actually. I drink coffee before I start work.
Thanks again for the coffee.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too. I hope the rest of your night is easy.
Thanks. See you next time.
Definitely. I think this may become my favorite coffee shop.
Good evening, Mr. Carter.
Hello, Ruby.
The usual today?
Just a coffee, please. Small.
Small. You always get a large.
Small is fine tonight.
Okay. $1.75.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you want to sit here or take it with you?
I'll sit for a while, if that's okay.
Of course. We still have a few minutes before closing.
Thank you.
You can sit by the window like always.
Yes, I like that table.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you, Ruby.
You're quiet tonight, Mr. Carter. Everything okay?
Just thinking.
About anything special?
A few things, nothing big.
Okay. Well, if you need anything, just ask.
I will. Thank you.
You usually tell me a story about your day.
Not tonight. Maybe another time.
That's fine. I'll let you enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. This place is always so calm at night.
I think so too. It's my favorite time to work.
Mine too, actually.
I'll be right over there if you need me.
Okay, Ruby.
Take your time.
Thank you, I will.
It's getting cold outside tonight.
Yes, I noticed. Fall is coming fast this year.
I love this season. The mornings are so fresh.
Me too. I like walking to this shop in the morning air.
How far do you walk to get here?
About 15 minutes. It's good exercise.
That's a nice walk.
Yes, I pass a small park on the way.
I know that park. It has a lot of trees.
It does. The leaves are turning orange now.
That sounds beautiful.
It is. I always stop there for a minute.
Do you sit on the bench near the fountain?
Yes, that's my favorite spot. It's very calm.
I walk through that park sometimes too.
Maybe we'll see each other there one day.
That would be nice.
Hey, need help closing up?
Yes, please. Can you clean the espresso machine?
Sure, I'll clean the inside of the coffee machine now.
Thanks. I always forget how important that is.
You have to clean it every night or the coffee starts tasting bad tomorrow.
Really? Every single night?
Yes, we use this special cleaning powder.
I didn't know that.
The powder cleans the inside parts of the machine.
How long does it take?
About 5 minutes if we do it right.
That's not too bad.
No, but people forget. Then the coffee tastes strange.
I definitely don't want that.
Me neither. Our customers would notice right away.
True. They know good coffee.
Speaking of customers, did you see Mr. Carter tonight?
Yes, he was here. He seemed quiet.
I noticed that too. He usually talks a lot.
He just wanted a small coffee and some quiet time.
That's not like him at all.
I know. I asked if he was okay.
What did he say?
He just said he was thinking.
Maybe something happened.
Maybe. I hope everything is fine.
He's been coming here for years. I hope he's okay too.
Let's finish the machine and check on him later.
Good idea. Pass me the cleaning powder.
Here you go.
Thanks. Almost done.
This place always looks so clean when we finish.
That's the goal. Now, what else do we need to clean tonight?
We still need to clean the tables and sweep the floor.
I can sweep if you clean the tables.
Sounds good. Let's share the work.
This machine looks much better already.
Yes, it's shiny again.
I also need to check the milk in the fridge.
Good idea. We don't want old milk tomorrow morning.
I'll throw away anything that looks old.
Thanks. You worked really hard tonight.
I try to be. Closing time goes faster that way.
I agree. Let's keep going.
Do you think we will be busy tomorrow?
Probably. Weekends are always busy here.
I hope we have enough coffee beans.
We ordered more yesterday, so we should be fine.
I hope we have enough coffee beans.
Me neither. That would be a bad start to the day.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
No problem. How can I help?
I was here about 10 minutes ago. Did I leave an umbrella?
Let me check. What color is it?
It's blue with white dots.
Oh yes, I found it right here, under this table.
That's it. Thank you so much.
I was actually about to put it in our box for lost things.
Good timing then.
Very good timing. It's raining outside, right?
Yes, it's raining a lot. I need this umbrella.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'm so happy you found it.
No problem at all. It happens all the time.
Really? People forget umbrellas often?
Yes, mostly on rainy days. It's strange, right?
I guess people are just happy to be inside.
Maybe. Or they're just thinking about other things.
That's probably true for me tonight.
Well, I'm glad you came back.
Me too. I was already almost home.
You walked all the way back here?
Yes, but it's not too far, just 5 minutes.
You really need that umbrella.
I really don't want to get wet again.
That makes sense.
Thank you again, Ruby.
Were you here for a meeting or just relaxing?
I was just reading a book for an hour.
That sounds relaxing.
It really was. This place is quiet in the evening.
We like it that way too.
I come here almost every week.
I think I've seen you before.
Maybe. I usually sit near the door.
That explains it. That table is popular.
It has a nice view of the street.
True. You can watch people walking by.
Exactly. It helps me relax after work.
What are you reading these days?
A mystery novel. It's very exciting.
I love mystery books. Is it good?
Yes, definitely. You should try it sometime.
I will. Thanks for the tip.
Anytime. Well, I should let you close the shop.
All right. Have a safe walk home.
I will. Good night.
Good night. Stay dry.
Ruby, do you have a minute?
Of course. What is it?
I have some news.
Good news, I hope?
I think so. I'm moving to a new city tomorrow.
Oh, wow. That's big news.
Yes, I got a new job, far from here.
What is the new job like?
It's a bigger company in a much bigger city.
What will you be doing there?
I'll be a manager. I'll lead a small team of people.
That's a big change. Congratulations.
Thank you. It's a new kind of work, but I'm ready for it.
What is the new city like?
It's a big city near the sea. It has tall buildings and many parks.
That sounds nice. Do you have a place to live yet?
Yes, I found a small apartment near my new office. I can walk to work.
That's really easy for you. Will you miss the quiet mornings here?
I will, but I hear the new city has some good coffee shops too.
Maybe you'll visit a few and see if they're as good as ours.
I definitely will, but none of them will have your coffee.
That sounds exciting.
It is, but a little scary too.
That's normal. Big changes always feel that way.
You're right. I keep telling myself that.
You'll do great, Mr. Carter.
Thank you, Ruby. That means a lot right now.
Will you know anyone in the new city?
A few old friends live there. That helps.
That's good. You won't be alone there.
No, and I can always call people here too.
Congratulations, but now I understand why you were quiet tonight.
I've been coming here for 3 years. I'm going to miss this place.
We're going to miss you too, Mr. Carter.
This coffee shop has been a big part of my life.
You've been one of our best customers.
I always felt welcome here.
That means a lot to me.
I wanted to say thank you before I leave.
Thank you for telling me. When do you leave?
Tomorrow morning, very early.
That's so soon.
Yes, it's a big change, but I'm excited too.
You should be excited. New cities can be wonderful.
I hope so. I'll miss this coffee though.
Maybe you'll find a new favorite coffee shop.
Maybe, but it won't be the same.
We'll miss you too. Good luck out there.
Thank you, Ruby, for everything.
Come back and visit us sometime.
I will, I promise.
Safe travels, Mr. Carter.
Thank you. Good night, Ruby. Was that Mr. Carter leaving?
Yes, he's moving to a new city tomorrow.
Really? That explains why he was so quiet.
Yes, he told me everything. He's going to miss this place a lot.
I'm going to miss him too. He was always so nice.
He said he's been coming here for 3 years.
Wow, 3 years. That's a long time.
I know. I'm happy he told me before he left.
Me too. Well, should we close up now?
Yes, let's turn off the lights.
I'll get the front sign.
Thanks. I'll lock the back door.
Another quiet night, all finished.
That sounds about right.
We didn't have many customers tonight.
No, but a few interesting ones.
The man who almost missed closing time?
Yes, and the man who forgot his umbrella.
I remember that. Funny night.
It really was, but a good one.
Every night here is a little different.
That's true. I like that about this job.
This was a nice night, actually.
It was. I like nights like this.
Slow but full of small moments.
Exactly. Those are my favorite kind.
What time do we open tomorrow?
7 in the morning, like always.
I'm working in the morning tomorrow.
Lucky you, I'm working in the afternoon.
We should order more milk. We don't have much left.
Good point. I'll write it on the list.
Thanks. Anything else we need?
I think we're okay on coffee beans.
Great. This place is really ready for tomorrow.
It is. I'm happy with tonight's work.
Me too. Okay, the sign is off.
Great. Everything is ready. Let's go home.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow, Ruby.
See you tomorrow, Leo. Good night.
Good night. Drive safely.
I will. You too.
Thanks. Good night, coffee shop.
Good night.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many minutes before closing does the coffee shop stop taking orders? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.